Let's have a look at question 10 part B. If AB is 2x plus 4 and CD is 3x minus 5, let's just write those on where they go. 2x plus 4, 3x minus 5. We need to find the length of BC and BD. Now, to do this, we need to apply a few things that we know about squares. We know that all four sides are equal. So that means the two equations that they've given us are both actually equal to each other. So 2x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 5. Now I just need to get all my x values to one side and all my y and all my numbers to the other. So I'm going to take away 2x to both sides so that I leave myself with a positive value of x. And I'm going to get 4 is equal to x minus 5 plus 5 to both sides. And I'm going to get x equals 9. Now, of course, this doesn't give me the length of a side. I've got to substitute it back in. Now, the equation they gave me for AB is going to give me the same answer as the equation they gave me for CD. So it doesn't matter which one I choose. 2 times 9 plus 4 is equal to 22. Okay, so I've now found the length of BC. It's 22. Now, our next question, I'm just going to clear some things off so we've got space to work with. If you need to pause the video, go back, pause it to keep it working. Now, we need to find the length of BD. That's the last thing we need to find. Now, we already learned that BC was 22. And of course, being a square, all sides are equal. Now, that means we want to find the distance across the middle. Okay, this light green color that I've just chosen here. Now, to do that, we need to use the fact that we know all corners of squares are right angles. So if we draw our arrow here, our arrow points at our hypotenuse. Let's call it x. That means if I set up my equation, 22 squared plus 22 squared is equal to x squared. Now at this point you're going to take out your calculator unless you're really good at your times tables. Okay, and you're going to put 22 squared into your calculator and you get 484 plus 484 is equal to x squared. Now you collect your like terms and you get 968 is equal to x squared. Square root both sides. Okay, and the square root of 968, well, it's going to come out as a decimal. Now you could leave your answer as the decimal. It's going to be 31 point something. Okay, let me put in my calculator, 31.11. Okay, now you could leave it as that, or you could have left it as x is equal to the square root of 968. Okay, either one of those would be acceptable.